All right, I'm Robin with John's Waterproofing. I'm here at our one of our training facilities here in Oregon, and we're going to talk a little bit about SmartJacks. And when people need these installed in their house is because of they're having settling from the posts that are down there in your crawl space. They're settling in the ground. Maybe the post is rotting. Maybe the soil conditions underneath the post is not adequate, so you're getting some problems there. So we're going to talk about some of the base plates that we've got here with the SmartJacks. The SmartJack is a metal adjustable post that you put in the crawl space. And so we've got three different styles here. We have one like this one here, goes on an existing post, pier pad that's down there, and everything seems to be fine. Maybe we just need to replace the post. We've got another one where we dig down and we will put an engineered footing underneath of it, and then we have a soil plate where the soil's pretty good, and we can put this one down on top of it. We just got to spread the weight out on there. So what happens is a lot of times you end up with this sagging in the crawl space, and it's because the ground has failed, right? You've got the soil that's underneath your posts that are down there in your crawl space, and there's a lot of water, things going on with it, and the post is kind of settling. A lot of times we go down the crawl space, we grab the wood post and we can just move it. Well, the house didn't go up. What's happening is the pier pad is actually sinking into the soil. So a lot of times what we'll do is we'll go down and we'll dig out a large hole in the ground, a 2 foot by 2 foot by 2 foot hole. And we put engineered fill in there, crushed gravel, and we compact it all the way up, and then we set the base plate, which is the bottom piece over there, set that on top of it, and then we can put the post in there and re-secure that for the homeowner. And it works great. It's a totally adjustable. We can come in after they're installed and adjust these up a little bit higher. If we get in there and we say, hey, these things moving a little bit more, we can adjust it years afterwards when we come back and out and do a service. It's a great product. We use them a lot here in Oregon and Southwest Washington, and we love this product. So if you're having any issues in your crawl space, thinking there's some settling going on down there, just give us a call. You know, John's Waterproofing and Crawl Space Repair. We've been doing this for over 50 years. We'd love to come out there, take a look at what you got going on. Give us a call.